Hello, my good viewers, my good followers. This is K Farmer. I'm here on the nursery. I want to inspire you, I want to educate you, good farmers, on what to do on your nursery before you put it down. What do you need for you to succeed? Now, as you can see here, all of this is a nursery that is 3 weeks old, and there are some of the things that you really need to focus and be keen on as you develop your nursery. So as we begin, remember to subscribe, to view, to share, to inspire another farmer using this video for us to grow our Africa, for us to grow our continent, and to have maximum productivity as we do our farming. Subscribe and let us grow together. So there are some of the key points that you have to align before you begin your project as a farmer. And these are the points that are specific to the nursery. And as I begin, I want to say that as a good farmer, as you highlight your project, there are about 3 to 5 points that you should not miss in your development of your nurseries. So the very first thing that I could advise a farmer to do is, first of all, make sure that you have done your research on the peak seasons of your the crop that you're doing, this onion, and you have analyzed the low season of the nursery of the crop that you're about to do. You have to understand, once I put these onions on the nursery, when will I transplant it, and why should I do it at that season? They are the low season, mark them. They are the high season, mark them in your calendar. The low season, make sure that your production is key, or if you're even not producing in the low season, have a good storage that you can have a waiting plan on that place. The second thing that you need to do and really put it into practice as you do is the quality of onion that you're going to put on the nursery. Remember the onion cycle. We have a lot of onions varieties. There are the F1s, there are the OPVs on the market, but I've said again, go for the F1 varieties that will yield well. And also, as you grow your onions in Africa, there are those onions that do well on certain environment, others don't do well in certain environment. For example, there are onions that will perform best in the cold areas and do not perform good in the hot areas, in the asols area, arid and semi-arid areas. So for example, the likes of Malbec, Rosette, those are varieties that will do well in cold, chilly areas. And we have other varieties that will do in warm, hot areas. The likes of Neptune F1, Red Nice, Red Wave, African Red, what else? Red Coach. These are onions that you can do in the hot areas. The other thing, as you do your nursery, make sure that your water points are well known, because a nursery, you spend a lot of money, and then the seeds that you're going to use, they are very expensive. So make sure that your watering system is not in question, such that your seed will not suffer, especially the very first week, where you require a lot of water for the seed's dormancy to be killed and for the onion seed to germinate. So you need water as a key factor to do that. The other point is the management practice. This is where farmers go wrong. They do not want to invest in management practices. For example, you're a new farmer, you don't know about the onion cycle. You need some technician to help you on the growth. You need agronomists. Go for them, pay them well. You need casual laborers. Train them. Tell them this is a pest. It's known as this and this. These are fungal disease. It look like this. And these are the key points that you should know. As you get to the farm, you know, okay, this is my size of land. I'm supposed to, it's 1 acre, I'm supposed to use 2 kilos. I'm supposed to have this amount of water. I'm supposed to have this amount, this level of knowledge, this amount of manure, this amount of soil test, and so forth and so forth. So as you begin, make sure that those points are very clear on you, and they will help you to reduce losses. And with that, we are going to learn more in this project. And yes, that is it. Let's see each other in the next episode, whereby you're going to take care of the disease, we're going to take care of the pest again. I know we have done it, but some farmers have requested for a new approach. We're going to look at how we keep off the weeds. Why is it that this place is clean and the path is almost green also? How do you take care of that? But keep learning. This is K Farmer. Go to my YouTube channel. There is a lot of content that I've done before. View them, ask questions, and always feel free to ask question, and let's grow together. If you need